Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, you'll be able to see all of our current and past project videos. It's a great tool to educate yourselves on proper engineering sound foundation repair that is done correctly the first time. But out here, we're showcasing our project in North Kansas City. This is our cinder block wall reconstruction project. We have two walls that we are in the process of getting rebuilt from top to bottom vertically. We have our back section that we have already completed. We've got the window back in place. Everything's looking real good there. We are approaching completion on the deconstruction of the front cinder block wall. If you remember our earlier videos, this was the one, very large gap, pretty much right in the middle. So this was definitely the more damaged of the two walls. We're going to have to be careful here around the piping when we start rebuilding this. But we should have this torn down here the first half of the day, and then we'll get the footing taken care of, and then we will start rebuilding the front cinder block wall block by block. Here we can actually take a real good look. These cinder blocks are, of course, hollow. Most cinder block wall projects that we do rebuilds on, they are hollow block. When we rebuild, we're going to use new CMU block, and each of the individual holes in this block is going to be filled with high strength concrete. So we really try to maximize the structural strength of the new cinder block wall. So we should be able to have this rebuilt by Wednesday, and then we're going to move on to our block foundation renovation project. So once this is done, from top to bottom, corner to corner, everywhere we have access, we are going to apply wire mesh, steel wire mesh to the walls, and then we are going to use our King Piers blend of high strength concrete mortar to apply and get that adhered to the block walls thanks to that wire mesh. And then we're going to smooth that out, really really transform this basement. And once that mortar is dry, we will come in with some white waterproofing paint and apply a coat of that to the interior of the new walls. So this is going to be quite a transformation once everything's done. On the outside of the two cinder block walls, those will be tarred with commercial foundation tar. So we're going to hit these new cinder block walls from both sides to really make sure everything is looking good, and we keep everything dry. Even with the rain today, this new wall hasn't let any kind of water in, so everything is structurally sound like it should be. It's dry, so we just need to keep going, and we'll be finished up here with the rebuild in a couple days. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on YouTube and Facebook. Just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can go to our website, kingpiers.com, and you can always call us directly at 1-816-288-4373.